don't really.
I caught him. I caught a bird. A big old bird.
Let it bite you.
Dad, look at me. I caught a beach chicken for you, big boy.
I got it. You got it. Okay. I'm spooked. Daddy, you know.
This is day, I don't even know. It's not raining today, so that's good. You know, we've had a really rainy time. We've made this survival shelter out of these cardboard boxes that I found. I'll show you.
You picked all out.
So, should help us out with the next rains that come. Got a little patio here. And then just a general workshop over here. Trying to figure out how to make an extension.
Daddy, I'm done with my room.
But yeah, I
Daddy,
mean,
I'm done with my room.
it's not much, but it's home. All right. Gonna go back making a fire soon, so I'll go dark for a minute.
Dragon! Yeah, I did. Dragon.
Here. Watch out, bro. All right, let's take it out. Watch out. Slide back. Nah, to the left.
Dada.
What?
I did.
Yeah, good job. All right, we crawl through.
Daddy, I got some hot sauce for you so you guys drink. You gotta have some of the hot. Oh, hi.
What are you doing? Brody, hush.
Alright. Let's go. Before we get in trouble for being screamers.
Yeah.
Pillows? Don't do that. Why would you do that? Alright, hold my hands.
Got my survival shelter here. It's been pretty good. Lasted me the last couple nights here out in this wilderness. Days are really short here. It's hard to get a lot done. That really takes its toll, but I'm doing what I can to build up, keeping my mind busy, working on the tasks at hand. I'm gonna be making a gill net here. Got a backyard. The winds have been pretty tough from this side last 2 nights, so I'm gonna be looking for more foliage as I got over here to build up the insulation on this side. But yeah, it's not much, but been putting my best foot forward and working with what I got.
Mommy, it's so great that we made a big shelter for us to sleep in, and we could
What? Tell mommy what?
Mommy! We sure like you, and we made a big Mommy! And we... Mommy!